Today we are doing the song from, let me look at this people, Oriental Brothers. Their song called Ozo Wu Iwemo. If I did not get it correct, please pardon me because of the language. The key is C sharp. Have the key C sharp. Second string, have the root here. On the second string, second position. At the same time, fifth string, fourth position. That's the root. C. So let's take a look at it. So you see do chord. We play do a mi here. That's one chord. Making it seventh. As for this word, we've done it before. Mi, fa, that's mi and so top. Mi and so. Fa and la. Mi, fa, do, mi. So if you know what the duet lesson, please check the duet lesson, the lesson on duet. I have that on it. Mi, fa, mi, do. So let's take it so. C sharp. That's the spelling. So we can spell anything. As for the spelling, you see that sometimes I don't want to waste much time on the spelling because you spell to so then you spell the second one to go. But the main rhythm is here. Lead guitar, starting that one. Then the rhythm guitar comes in here because we are playing C sharp. See, this is C sharp. C sharp here. C sharp here. You have C sharp here. You have C sharp. So C sharp, C sharp. Everywhere we have the C sharp is C sharp. So let's listen to the second part of the guitar. Let's start again. As for that part, you see, let's do that. You have so do instead of playing then so that is the second part. When I say the second part, you have to understand that is the rhythm guitar. The lead guitar is playing this. Then that's the second guitar. The main rhythm guitar is playing all the solo and the other things. So as for this one I'm not sure it's too difficult. The main thing is here. Or far, I sometimes play it this way, but if you cannot play it this way, please. So mi stands for the whole do chord. Re stands for the whole so chord. So he didn't play the whole chord, but he played only. So as for this lesson, this introduction to this song, Odehyie Mo. That is the title of the song. I will do the whole thing from start to the finish in the night. So catch me midnight for the whole lesson of this song. I will do the whole thing. We'll do the whole thing again from the beginning to the end. Because sometimes when doing upload, we don't have to upload more than 15, 20, 30 minutes. It must be short. So in the lesson, that is the rehearsal night, we will do the whole song from start to finish. So my friend, Nigerians who requested that I should do this song from Oriental Brothers, thank you for joining me. We shall meet very soon. You are all welcome. Thanks for learning from here.